Hey friends, this is Jay Baer, founder of Convince and Convert, and I want to take just a minute to tell you why I love AgoraPulse. Now look, there's a ton of social media management tools out there, but AgoraPulse has some really special features that my team and I really appreciate. I want to tell you about those. Now first, the mobile app for AgoraPulse is really solid. I travel like 200 days a year, so the ability to check all of my social media accounts from an airport or wherever else I happen to be is a huge plus.
You know, I've tried probably about all the tools out there. AgoraPulse is really cleaner and it does a lot more. I mean, there's some things that work really well for Twitter, there's some things that really work well for Instagram, but having it all in one, where I can log in just in one dashboard and see everything that I need to do, schedule things out, it's really helpful for what I do.
By using one platform for all the team members, with all the scheduling, all the sharing functionality and all the analytics, I can get a real good bird's eye view of what's going on across all the channels. I just want to use one tool, and that's really the big thing for me.
So we can log into one website now, we can manage all of our major social profiles there, and we're able to serve our clients with more clarity and purpose.
I think the biggest value for me and my team is that I can use it with my team, and we're all on the same page and know what's going on inside of the system as we use it.
It saves us money. It saves us a lot of money because of the productivity, the features that are built in with how it manages those conversations. We don't waste time, we're efficient.
Well, the social media inbox is what AgoraPulse calls it, and that's definitely the single most time-saving feature for me personally. I can go on my phone and I can look at multiple Twitter accounts, and now I'm able to see all those different messages, no matter what kind of message they are, in one stream, and I can quickly go through them.
The inbox is the biggest convenience and time saver that I could ever want for the listening and customer service aspect of my job.
Spending an hour a day doing this or spending 15 minutes a day doing this is a huge gap in terms of efficiency, and it allows me to focus on the actual engagement with people. That's where the magic happens, right?
To be completely honest, it's the AgoraPulse team. It's the people behind the scenes, like 100%. I will tell people, any tool, it's really a matter of preference. It's your user face preference. It's, you know, whatever makes you comfortable. The entire team behind the scenes, to me, is the selling point in terms of working with a great company that you know you can rely on.
It's high-powered, yet it's also affordable, and that's a combination I can get behind. If you haven't used AgoraPulse yet, check it out.